Yeah, I was gonna. How do you describe the pre-production environment?
So for us, we call multiple things. We have in one of the application, one of the project I actually worked, there was a 7 environment. The staging is completely very close to the production, and there was a beta version, and there was actually 2 beta version. One is the internal the clients, one is the external clients, and there is like of course the test environment. That's also the 2. One is the internal, one is the external vendor development one version. So and there is a performance version as well, where the performance testing is conducted. So what was the question? Can you please repeat again?
Yes, how can you describe the pre-production environment?
Sure. So for us, the pre-production is staging, and for other application, pre-production was actually the beta environment. So again, based on the application type and the environment.